What happens if we only know the hypotenuse of a right triangle? Does that lock the triangle into one shape, or can there be many possibilities? In this lesson, we'll explore how the Pythagorean theorem guides us and why a single hypotenuse length, like 25 units, opens the door to multiple solutions. Let's dive in and uncover the hidden variety behind a simple number. First, let's recall the Pythagorean theorem. It tells us that the sum of the squares of the two legs equals the square of the hypotenuse. If we let x and y be the legs and h the hypotenuse, the equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to h squared. Now, substituting the given hypotenuse of 25 units, we get x squared plus y squared is equal to 25 squared. Since 25 squared is 625, our equation becomes x squared plus y squared is equal to 625. Notice that 625 can be expressed as a sum of two squares. For example, 400 plus 225 is equal 625. And since 400 is equal to 20 squared and 225 is equal to 15 squared, we can write 625 is equal to 20 squared plus 15 squared. This means we can rewrite the equation as x squared plus y squared is equal to 20 squared plus 15 squared. Since both sides are expressed as sums of squares, we can equate them. X squared is equal to 20 squared and y squared is equal to 15 squared. Taking square roots, we find x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 15. So the legs of the triangle are 20 units and 15 units. Therefore, the dimensions of this right triangle are 15, 20, and 25. Dividing all sides by 5, we get the classic 3 by 4 by 5 right triangle, one of the most famous special right triangles. And that's just one solution set. There are many other pairs of legs that can satisfy x squared plus y squared plus 625. Can you find another? Share your answers in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.